Welcome back to 4K Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to mount your mini Apple Mac behind your monitor. This one we put on a full motion. Okay, and also what I did on this side was I bridged it, an outlet right here to the bottom. Okay, and so let's see here. It comes with the bracket itself, some screws and 2 mollies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it here. The lip goes on the bottom. I mount it right like this. I'm going to mark my holes out. I got one here and one there. Okay. I'm going to first put, it looks like there's wood back there already. Yeah, looks like there's wood. All right, they're in good shape. Okay. Take your mini Mac, just like this, slide it in, and there you go. You hide it right behind the monitor there. Thanks for viewing. Please leave a like and click that notification bell so you know when I post another video. Thanks, bye.